Greeting dear children. Now we are doing the sums related to the compound interest when interest is compounded annually. Calculation of amount in compound interest when interest is compounded annually, and this is one example I am doing. It is given principal is rupees 12,600, rate is 10% per annum and time is given to be 2 years. We have to find amount. One method, that is year by year we add simple interest. Principal of amount of first year will become the principal of second year. That you can do yourself, and I am doing by the formula which I had told you in my previous video. And what is the formula for amount? Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 raised to power n. N is the time period. So here, because interest is compounded annually and n is equal to 2, whatever the time is given, that will be the same here as the inversion period. So amount will be equal to principal. I am just putting the value 12,600. 1 plus rate is given to be 10%, so 10 upon 100, because we have deposited the money for 2 years, so time will be 2 by 2, because compound interest is compounded annually and we are going to receive total amount after the end of 2 years. So 12,000, I am cancelling here because 10 upon 100 is there. 12,600 into 1 plus 1 by 10 whole raised to power 2. Now take the LCM. 10 ones the 10 plus 1, 11 by 10. So this is 11 by 10 whole square. I have taken LCM, right? I hope you have understood. 10 ones the 10 plus 1, 11, 11 by 10. So, how to calculate 12,600 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. 2 zeros will cancel out, and when we will multiply this 11 11s, the 121. When 121 is multiplied with 126, what we are getting here as answer, it is 15246. So this is the amount. If I have got the amount, how to find the compound interest? Compound interest is equal to A minus P. 15246, this much rupees, minus how much? 12,600. 6, 4, 12 minus 6 is 6, 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is the compound interest. I hope you have understood. What we have done, we have simply applied the formula. Instead of doing year by year, we can do that way also. So let us do this next question in the same way. It is exercise 8.3, question number 1, first part. Principal is given to be rupees 10,800. Rate is 12:1 by 2% per annum and time is 3 years. If I will be doing by the simple interest method, I will be adding 3 times. But in this formula, in a single go, we can do the calculation. So let us do A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power 3. Raised to power time. Time is 3 years. So P is 10,800. 1 plus, rate is in fraction, 12 2s are 24 and 1, 25 by 2%. 25 by 2 and remove the sign of percent, so 100 will be there. And what is the time here? Time is 3. So 25, once the 25, 25 is the 200. 2 into 100 is 200. 25 is the 200. So it is 10,800 into 1 plus 1 by 8 whole raised to power 3. Take LCM. What will be there? 8 ones the 8 plus 1, 9 by 8. So 10,800 into 9 by 8 raised to power 3. But I have done here, I have taken LCM. So 10,800 into 9 by 8, 9 by 8, again 9 by 8. How I have written? 9 by 8 raised to power 3 was there. So 9 by 8, 3 times multiplicated. So 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 7s. And this. Now 2. 1's the 2. 2 3's are 6. 2 5's. So keep on doing the calculation as much simple we can make it. 2 6 the 12. 2 7 the 14. This is 675. So no further calculation is possible, and when we will simplify it, what we are going to get? We are merely getting rupees 15377.34. So this is the amount. If I got the amount, how to get the this compound interest? Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So rupees 15377.34 minus 10,800. So what I am going to get? That will be the compound interest. So what I am getting? Rupees 4,577.34 approximately. Got it? So these are the questions which are done by the formula only. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much. Complete them in your notebook, and with this also you will be able to do NCERT. Try these of page number 133, which are above exercise 8.3. These two questions you will be able to do. Try doing these questions. I will be explaining you other questions also. Thank you very much. Keep learning.